Hey everyone, I'm Shay from Mixology Flair, champion Flair bartender from Los Angeles. And I know right now you're really interested in hiring one of our Flair bartenders for your event, but the most common question that we get asked is, what's the difference between a certified Flair bartender, an expert Flair bartender, and a champion Flair bartender, or even a fire show? Well, in this video, we're gonna show you exactly what the difference is with our team, showing you all of the tricks that each level of Flair bartender is gonna provide for your event and the experience that you're gonna get. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Blanca, and I've been bartending for 3 years in cities like Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and San Diego.
Hi, I'm Tiffany, and I've been bartending for 11 years in major cities like New York, Miami, and
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mixology Flair. My name is Vache.
Hey guys, I'm Freddie Chase.
My name is Christoph.
Thanks again for being here. Y'all have a blessed day. Good night.